Hello and welcome to your Akashic Records reading, guys. How are you doing today? It's Shreya Khanna, and just like every other day we do love readings, your love reading will also be there today. And this is your Akashic Records reading. All right. So if you're new here, I welcome you here. If you have not subscribed on this channel, I would recommend you subscribing and pressing the notification bell icon so that you receive all of my videos and as soon as I post them. I also go on lives for, tarot card readings and chit chat sessions. So you can also join me there. Moreover, guys, if you like this particular Akashic Records reading, like the video, comment down below, claim your energies. All right. All right. Guys, any of you who are trying to book a reading with me, the number is given in the description box below, and you can WhatsApp me. After that, we'll see. All right. Let's see. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. All right. So, guys, we have angels, we have God, we have my higher self, which is gonna guide me towards your Akashic Records. So this reading is gonna be timeless and not gender specific. So if you're a male or a female, this reading is gonna be for you. All right. So what is your Akashic Records are saying to you? So guys, this is a general reading also. Please take what resonates and leave what does not. Let's start your reading. Star card. The Devil card. Strength card. Four of Pentacles. Six of Cups. The Tower card. Eight of Wands card. All right. What are the supporting factors for your Akashic Records? Five of Cups. Right. 10 of Cups. Awesome. Chariot. The Fool. Page of Cups. One more we'll take. Death. Okay, so guys, meanwhile, I was not expecting this, but I should tell you that because this is Akashic Records reading, most of my cards are major arcanas. I did not expect this. I'm doing Akashic Records reading as a general reading after so long, but yeah, this is coming as major arcana cards. There are so many supporting factors. There are small supporting factors to your energy and your Akashic Records. Okay, so let me tell you, your Akashic Records, what you're expecting right now, that you're expecting yourself to become a celebrity, to become known figure, to become a public figure. You could be expecting that. You are expecting from yourself is growth, that you see or receive growth in so many factors in career. You could be expecting something to do with a love partner, something happening in your marriage. Okay, apart from that, if we talk about this, I literally see that your support system is your family right now. If you talk about the best vibes, your top notch support system is your family. This is what your Akashic Records are telling to me. Okay, so I go on continuing with what energies I'm getting. Okay, now if we talk about there is something that is telling me there is some kind of cycle that has made you this star energy. You could be made of stardust. I don't care if this sounds good for you or not. This is 444. You are literally this star. You're literally this public figure. I don't know, like, you are expecting sudden growth because you are emerging from the tower. you are emerging from this tower and you're moving up to become a star, and literally your family is supporting you. In case there are some kind of ancestors, there could be anyone from your family, they are watching you. You could be watching pole star, or you could be doing some kind of stargazing these days. I don't know if that's true for you. All right, apart from that, your strength comes from your family. This is coming from your family, okay? There were some habits of yours, there were some people that you met that have made you become the star, but these people were not that great people. That's what I'm seeing, okay? You've had some kind of problems in your life with these people, and they have given you a lot of disappointments. I see you figuring that out. 555 on that. I see you figuring that out. I see that there was a time where you could have died. You could have, this is literal for someone. This is 6 and 6. You could have a loved one who made you all betrayed, who left you like nothing. For some of you, this is the truth, okay? This is 6 and 7, 17 energy, okay? Now I just see that this loved one of yours, there is a cycle going on with the same person. It could be a relationship, it could be other people that made you stop again and again and again. And this is the Tower card coming for you, okay? So you're emerging from what stopped you, okay? You're expecting exponential growth. You're expecting to become a star. You're expecting to have strength. Maybe there is an animal that you love, okay? You could have a pet. You could be an animal lover. I don't know if that's true for you, okay? Meanwhile, I see all of those. There is higher divine energies that are protecting you, which is 7-7, and that's a Chariot card, okay? There is higher divine energies that are protecting you right now. This is your base, this is your foundation. So what I see in your foundation is there is a little bit of fear. I can feel that within myself. There is a fear. Your root chakra needs healing. In case you need your root chakra healing, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. But your root chakra needs healing. Let me tell you, most of your, it could be a mother wound, it could be a father wound, okay? I am hearing more like a mother wound, okay? There is a lack energy. You could be saving your money now, okay? There is this energy where is the Page of Cups. It is more like you could be a people pleaser sometimes when the fear is within you. But I see you as a star. I see you getting the growth right now. I don't know, but there are a lot of factors that are working for you to emerge from this particular situation, okay? So what I see is that there is something of a people pleasing thing. There is something that you're expecting less from the universe also, okay? So you have to affirm, while you're watching this reading, you have to affirm that. Just claim it, write it in the comment section below. Universe is giving and I am in receiving mode, okay? You are in receiving mode, my friend, okay? You are in receiving mode. Write it down in the comment section. I am receiving the best and positive energies for me. I am healing my root chakra, okay? I see there is the root chakra. This was something that happened to you. Somebody has brought a tower for you and you know it very well. I see you in a high priestess situation, okay? I see you in a high priestess situation where you know things, okay? Where you know things, and there is like, when I'm doing this reading, I'm just getting this vibe that when you're watching this video, literally you might feel like, you're getting goosebumps, because right now I am in such a mode that I'm connected to my higher self. I'm connected to God right now. I'm connected to Krishna. I'm connected to Radhe Krishna. I'm connected to Mahadeva, okay? So make sure whenever you're watching, thanks to the universe, send your gratitude and write it down below in the comment section also. You need to receive, you need to expect more. Okay, expect more from universe. If you're expecting a love offer, if you're expecting finances, expect more. Okay, if you're expecting growth, expect more. If you want to be a star, expect more. Okay, I don't know if you're a fan of Diljit Dosanjh, but this is coming to me. Okay, he has, you know, he has proved to be a great manifester. Okay, now in case you are a fan of Diljit Dosanjh, literally this person is coming to me right now, and I don't know what, but you need to, you know, get some kind of feeling from that. Okay, and I see that there is a situation that is getting changed. There is a particular situation that is changing for you. This is more like a transformation in the support of this devil thing. Okay, why this devil is there? Because I just feel that there is a cycle that keeps going on in your life, that's 11 11. Okay, there is a toxic cycle that is going on with you again and again. Why I'm saying that? It is interrupting with your star energy. Your disappointment with something is interrupting with your star energy, and that is, cycle has to end. I'm just saying cycle has to end, very likely to end, but you know it, you know it. I'm receiving this particular high priestess card for you. In case that is something, I just can tell you that you have this connection with the higher self, with that particular connection. You know, one connection you have to let go so that you become you. Okay, this is 12. Okay, you have to become more productive, you have to become more creative. And I'm not saying it like take a lot of burden on you. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is understand who you are. This is 12 12, and that's the message of God. Okay, this is more like, if you feel like you're a chosen one, you could be of, you know, the starlight, you could be of the divine light. Yes, this message is for you. It's coming to me again and again. So this devil card is coming again and again. How this cycle can stop for you? This is 1 2 3 4, so many angels supporting me, so many supporting me doing this reading, because they are your supporters. These angels are your supporters. I just saw 1244. Okay, so guys, meanwhile I have a lot of cards. I have Leo energy in very specific. I have Aquarius, very specific. I have the Capricorn energy, very specific. Cancer, very specific. Okay, so these are the specific signs, and rest I have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo for you, very specific for some people. Okay, yeah, up till right now we have those signs. Let's just see more. Yeah, there is one more thing, that something is making you to start afresh with your nostalgic side. There is Libra also. Something is making you very, you know, starting afresh with something. Okay, I see 6 of Cups, and I see the Fool card. Let me see what is this telling you about you. Okay, see, you have to let go of your past emotions, which is hindering your progress in your finances, in your career. Okay, there is something like, something is telling you, if you're feeling a lot of emotions, it is good for you. Okay, but feel and let them go. Do not keep feeling them again and again and again. Okay, I received 14 for someone. I just have this feeling that you have a lot of strength, but sometimes you are in your south node. Most of the time, when you're expecting yourself to be in your north node, right? You experience a lot of good things from your family side, from your career side, from your determination side. But when your intuition is on point, your heart is, doing great. You are the star energy. You're expecting a lot of growth. But when when you go down to your south node, there is something going on there, and moreover there is a logical side of yours, it could be emotional side of yours, that is giving you a lot of trouble. The past relationships are giving you a lot of trouble. I just feel like that. Okay, so now there is a justice card, and this is coming on very strong. This is a Libra energy. Let's just see what more do we have to find for you in the Akashic Records reading. What are you specifically here for, and what God is trying to give to you? Okay, let's just see first what the Devil card is signifying. See, you can expect a drastic transformation in the, it's about to end. Something your old habits, your old feelings, your old relationships, probably the feeling that you're feeling disappointed somewhere, that your love life is hindered somewhere, that is about to go away. I see there is the lack energy that you're trying to get away from. Okay, you're saving something, and there is a transformation. And I see that this particular card, the Devil with this 5 of cups, I can literally tell you that at one point you had to let everybody go, and nobody actually cared for you. You were not cared for. This is why you have become this star energy, and that's at the top, right? I just think that something that you have been manifesting is gonna come to you in this life, and I feel golden. I feel stardust. I don't know. Take it how it resonates, guys. Okay, there's the Devil card. Let's just see why the Devil card is here. What is it saying? There is Queen of Swords. We have 3 of Swords also. Yep. You are expecting someone. You could be expecting a new relation, a new reconciliation with someone. This is your past person, and you literally want to go to this person again and again. There is someone who wants to be with you, or you want to be with them. So there is a cycle that is not ending for you. Maybe you have to stop something. Someone broke your heart. Someone broke your heart. That person has made you bitter inside. You are still dealing with that bitterness again and again, even when you're trying your best to connect with the divine, even when you're trying your best and you're seeing life is giving you the best, still there is some kind of bitterness this person gave you. That why did someone leave you in the dark, right? Let's see what more could we expect out of this Akashic Records reading for you. This is Queen of Pentacles. My friend, you are becoming very confident. Look at that. The High Priestess is again, this is a supporting energy, okay? Growth is coming for you. There is a Knight of Cups card just on Page of Cups card. Yeah. Somebody did not offer you before, and somebody wants to offer you now. You have changed, okay? For them, you have changed. You have become this person who people listens to. You have become that Hierophant person who people listens to. There is this High Priestess, there is the Hierophant. These both are ideal matches for each other. So you may be attracting a person who wants to marry you, okay? You and that person both could be connecting on this particular video, and you don't know, probably, I don't know, but this is someone you're expecting to come into your life. Okay, this could be the same person that you got separated from. Okay, there is Ace of Wands, there is a Victory, and there's a Lover's card. I don't lie, guys. I don't lie in my readings. I see what I see, I tell you what I tell you, and there's this cards to just let you know that yes, there is something coming for you, and you can expect a a partner, you can expect a marriage, you can expect a communication, you can expect your ideal match, you can expect your twin flame or a soulmate. This is what is coming for you. All right, you are so divinely guided and protected. Moreover, you are connecting with money energy. Okay, there is King of Cups, right? Let's just see what more can we expect from this particular reading. There is Nine of Swords. Sometimes in the night you might be feeling like, I don't know, where am I going, where to go, because in something is telling me that you're very strong soul. People have seen you struggling, people have seen you how you have, went. So this is giving me the vibe where you have left your people for your career. Okay, you've left your people for your soul purpose, your soul mission. Okay, it could be your family that you've left, but you still love your family. Your family is still supporting you. It's more like you are alone in some kind of success. This is why sometimes you go to your south node and you feel like this. So you start making things up in your brain, like, what if this, what if that? No, that is just you making things up. Life is actually very great for you, whosoever you are. Life is such a great for you. So we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. And we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here also. All right. So we have covered all the signs in this particular reading. We have Page of Swords, right? Oh my God, please don't. Yeah, so what you're trying to do is you're getting rid of your own past self. That's what I see. You are getting rid of your own past self, plus your divine strength is arising within. Okay, there is Queen of Cups, there is King of Cups. So many cards supporting you. There is Page of Cups, there is Knight of Cups. I just can tell you guys that you have to become a little bit more stabler. But this is what you are expecting. You are expected to go places. You are expected to be known to a lot of people. A lot of people are gonna, know you. So this is what's coming for you. So you are going to become known to a lot of people just because you could be, I'm just getting that you're wise enough. You could be a lot that, because you've suffered a lot. You've suffered a lot. I can see your cards, okay? Now I just want you guys to take a deep breath and let this reading go, okay? Like this video, comment and claim whatever particularly you liked in this video. At least thanks the universe and God that they gave you this particular reading. All right, in case you want to book your private readings, personal readings, contact me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. I will see you in your personal reading or in your next reading. Lots of love. Radhe Krishna to every one of you. Bye bye.